Look no further than Los Angeles to find devastation that scientists say is caused at least in part by climate change. A years-long drought with higher temperatures making drier conditions that are fueling wildfires. It's the new reality in a world that broke temperature records again last year.
All the data sets are, quite clear. We are heading in the wrong direction.
It's not just Southern California wildfires. Rising temperatures are melting Arctic ice and warming the oceans, which contributed to back-to-back massive hurricanes in Florida just 3 months ago.
The past 10 years are the 10 warmest years on record. And we saw exceptional temperatures in the ocean, the highest ever recorded by humans.
Global warming is plain to see from NASA, measuring the world's surface temperatures over the last 60 years, especially recently. And it's acute in the Arctic, which affects Canada. And here are the hard numbers from recent decades, the warmest years, the last 10, with 2024 reaching 1.6 degrees above the pre-industrial average. That's just 1 year, but scientists say the global warming trend is obvious and dire. But is the political will trending in the opposite direction? In Canada, the carbon tax to combat climate change could soon be abolished.
A very dangerous and worrying trend. We've got a lot of world leaders, and including a potential change in the Canadian government, to go in the wrong direction.
A big concern is U.S. President-elect Donald Trump pushing his agenda back onto the world stage.
The United States will withdraw from the Paris Climate Accord.
Climate diplomats shudder.
If that were to happen, that would be a serious blow for international climate diplomacy. And yet, at the same time, the problem will not go away.
What's happening in Los Angeles is an ominous beginning to 2025. On the heels of the hottest year on record, some scientists believe our goal one day will be to cool the planet to the temperatures we had in 2024. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.